Hello, is that better? Is that better? Fantastic. Okay, now we've got a competition. The boys against the girls. Can you all see this? This is called a thermometer. Can you all see it, guys? Pardon? Yeah, you enjoy this. Good fun. Clapometer, right? The girls against the boys. Can you all see it? So what I'm going to do, the girls first, shout as loud as you can. Or clap and cheer. And you're trying to get the boys. And you women as well. Can you do that? Ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. That was very good. Now the boys. Come on, boys. Don't let me down. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, go! Excellent. Now then, girls, your last chance. Come on, girls. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, boys. Here we go, boys. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now everybody together. Go! Fantastic. Guys, there's no losers in this game, only winners. Well done, thank you. Now then, you're all wondering, can you all see the silk? Can you all see the silk? Yes? You're wondering, what's she going to do with this silk? Am I going to make it disappear? No. Am I going to make it bigger? No. Am I going to make it smaller? No. Am I going to make it to an elephant? No. To be honest, I prefer to say no. What I'm going to do, guys, with the silk, it's going to dematerialize and rematerialize in front of your eyes, straight through the microphone stand. Now, if anybody got a camera or a phone, they're going to show you something now, after 3, and you have a picture you've never seen a picture like ever again. You've got a chance to take a photograph. So the magician normally don't give you a chance to take a photograph. Now you can. Okay, watch. After 3. You ready? 1, 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. After 3. 1, 2. I tell you what. You boys, make this simple. Concentrate on the left hand. The girls on the right hand. Boys left, girls right. And I'll actually watch you watching me. Ready? 1, 2, not yet. There we go. Here we go. Middle crowd. Hello! We're waiting for you. Go to seat. Pick a seat. Magic seat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! No? Okay, try again. Here we go. 1. Get the camera. 2. Look, it's dynamo. No? Okay, this time. You ready for the camera? You ready? Let me do this, yeah? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, thank you. Where have you been? I've been waiting for you. Just killing a bit of time, yeah? What's your name?
Lawrence Smith.
Lawrence. Lawrence.
I'm Lawrence Smith.
Lawrence Smith. Can I call you Lawrence?
Yeah.
Can I call you tonight?
Yeah.
Hey!
Smith.
Take a seat there, Lawrence Smith. Give a round of applause, though. Fantastic. Really great, really. Okay, guys. Can anybody tell me, what do we need to make magic happen? Hands up. What do we need? Hands up? Yes? Magic word. Fantastic. What's your name? Holly. Excellent. Holly, you're going to be very special today because you're going to tell me what the magic word is going to be for today. What magic word can we have for today, Holly? What was that? Waggy, waggy, boo. Sparkly, sparkly spoon. Sparky, waggy, moo. Sparky, waggy, moo. There we go. There's a magic word. Sparky, waggy, moo. Sparky, that's the first. Okay. And what else do we need? Hands up. We've got the magic word, too slow. Anybody else? An audience. Way! There we go. You give me some noise and I'll give you a show. Yes?
Audience.
Audience. Very sharp. Anybody else? What else we need? We need a magic move. Magic move. A magic move is watch. Children, put your fingers in the air. Put your fingers in the air for me. Sparkly, sparkly woo. You know what it's called? Woo. Okay. And also we need a magic wand, yes? That's most important. What colour is the magic wand? Here you tell me. Hands up. What colour is the magic wand? Black and white. So is it half black, half white? Is that right?
Yes.
Half white, half black?
Yes.
No. Holly? Right. So it's black in the middle, white at the end. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to get the magic wand. Very, very old. My grandfather gave it to me years and years ago. Here we go. Now with this magic wand, what we're going to do... Sorry? No, with this magic wand, we'll load... Sorry? That's a banana! That's not a magic wand. Oh, hang on. Hope here it is. So anyway, as I was saying, with this magic wand... Sorry? With this magic... No, that's the magic... That's a banana! It's not good, is it? Okay. Oh, here it is. This is the magic wand. This is ancient. This is about 200 years old. It was given to me by my father. And it was given to him by his father, my grandfather. Would you like to see this magic wand, guys? Yes? Okay, here we go. After 3, are you ready? 1, 2... Nah, you don't want to see this magic wand at all. You put it back away. You want to see it, yes? Okay, after 3, you ready? 1, 2... Nah, you don't want to see this magic wand. You do? Okay, after 3. This time, no messing. After 3. Very, very old, ancient. 1, 2, 3. 200 years old. Very, very, very old. And my grandfather always told me, Shaun, you've got to make sure you clean this magic wand, like your bedrooms. Hands up if you clean your bedrooms, children. Hands up. Are you? Hands up if you've got a dirty bedroom. What the others, yeah. So he says, make sure you clean this every day. Otherwise, if I don't clean it, it does naughty things. So if you don't mind, I'm going to clean this. Is that cool? Do you mind if I clean this? Thank you very much. Just give us a little clean. Da-da-dee, da-da-do. Da-da-dee. I'm missing. So, boys and girls, please tell me, if this does anything wrong, or does something wrong, please let me know. If there's anything at all, just let me know, okay? Sorry? Did I just move? Did it just move then? Get back down and stay there. Now, as I was saying, if it does move, just let me know. Just let me know if it does actually move, okay? Because sometimes, if I put it there, it definitely won't do anything wrong now. Now, I tell you what, guys, I know what I'll do. I'll put it back in the case, because this is where it lives. If I put it back in the case, it's definitely not doing anything wrong at all now, is it? Nothing wrong at all, yes? I'll put it back in. If it does move, just let me know. Stop it. No, as I was saying, if there's anything wrong, just let me know. Just let me know if it does it. How about that? Definitely went, hey! I know, how about that? I just way over there. Give a round of applause, brilliant, thank you. Okay, this part of the show, I need a helper. Hands up, put me helper. Hands up, hands up. Come on, young man, if you come out fantastic. Look at this. 1, 2, hello.
Well,
What's your name?
Lennon.
How old are you?
7.
77.
Just 7.
17.
No. No.
No.
No.
No.
No.
No.
No.
How old are you?
7.
7, you should have said 7. Okay. Can you see the crystal tube? Is there anything in the crystal tube? Except my eye. Aye, aye. What I've got here is 3 silks. Okay, can you just stand with it? Stand with it? No, stand with it. No, stand with it. Okay. Now 3 silks. Can you all see the silks? Okay. What colour is this one? In Welsh? Well done. Hold that for me a second. Can you all see the silk? In Welsh? Cool. Hold that a second. Can you all see the silk? What colour is the silk? Orange. Yellow. And in Welsh? Melon. Hold that for me. You get it, well done. Okay. So we're going to put each single silk into the tube, one by one. The first one. What colour? In Welsh? Excellent. You put it in like this. Just like this. And the next one. Thank you very much. Colour? In Welsh? Oh, excellent. Goes through like this. And the next one. Yellow. In Welsh? Melon. Goes in like this. Like so. Now what's going to happen? You watch this very carefully. The yellow silk is going to swap places with the red silk. Hold the applause. There you have it. Now watch, this is fast. Ready? 1. Oh look, it's dynamo! Swap places, thank you! Swap places! Ready? Look, it's trying powder, huh? No? Okay, and magically, they're going to tie themselves together. Oh, we need a magic word. Finger in the air! Finger in the air! Finger in the air! And what's the magic word again? Sparkly, waggly, woo! And as you can see, the silks are all tied together. But why, what went wrong? I blowed it. I blew it. I blew it. Okay, try again. What colour is this? On a traffic light, this does go. Well, I'm done. And the kids said that, the adults. Go. The next one. On a traffic light, it. Well done. Get ready. Here we go. Here we go. And the next one. Red. On a traffic light. Go, try again. And the next one. Well, we need a magic wand, do we? We need the magic wand, okay. Just hold it there. Don't move. There's magic wand. Where's the magic wand? Here's the magic wand. Okay, so we get a magic wand. That's gravity. Okay, where's the magic wand? Place over there like that. Where there like this? Where over there like that. Over there like that. Over there like that. Over there. Over there like that. Just go like that. What you doing? stand. Come stand here. Okay, this time, yeah? Just wave over there. So anyway, what we're going to do... Right, stop messing about now. Right, hold on there a second. Hold it there. Don't move. Need a magic wand. You've got to find out how it broke in. So look, oh, there we go. I got a magic wand for you. Yeah, here it is. How about, show somewhere. How about that as a magic wand? Too small. Oh, that one. Small. Okay, let's try this. Too small, you say? Okay. So let's get this one here. Oh, yes, yeah, no, you just go for a while. So let's go through there. Try this one here. How's that as a wand? Too big? Can't have everything in my opinion. Okay. No, spot's fine. Ready? Wait the magic wand. Ready? Ready? One. Oh. Okay, ready? One. Spiggly. Spotly. Woo! And as you can see, as if by magic, you're all tied together with tons of blows. Thank you! That's yours. Thank you. Right, let's give a round of applause, you big brilliant. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. I need another volunteer. Up you come then, up you come. Way! Get a massive round of applause. Holly! Shut the hand, Holly. Other hand, other hand. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Holly.
How old are you?
4.
4? What's this now? Can you give Ollie a massive round of applause? Okay, Holly, can you stand next to the star? Star. That's me. Okay, Holly. I'm going to give you a magic hat, Holly, a magic hat. Holly, how about that as a magic hat? Oh, fantastic. So anyway, what we do... Oh, sorry. Anyway, what we're going to do then... Sorry. Bit too big there. So what we got? Hang about. Yes. I'm looking for a magic hat. Okay. No, that's not good as a magic hat. Okay. What we got here? So look. Okay. Okay, Holly. Unfortunately, that's all I've got is 2 pieces of paper. How about this a magic hat? No. How about this a magic hat? No. How about this a magic hat? No. Magic one. I'm trying, like. I'm trying. Take the piece of paper, Holly. 2 pieces of paper. Follow me. Bring it out like this. And rip it in half. In half. Hey! Okay. You have my bit and I'll have your bit. You have that bit, I'll give you that bit. Look. No, you keep that. You keep that one. And rip it again. Rip it again. You on, Holly. Take care. Hey! And one more time. Rip it again, Holly. Rip it up. Give it a rip. And again, Holly. You all done? Okay, Holly. Guys, how about this, the magic hat? No? Holly, did you bring a magic wand? No? Okay, then I got one there for you. Okay, this magic wand is the only magic wand of its kind. One magic wand. See the magic wand when you show it that? There's a magic wand. So anyway, I was saying. Okay, this magic wand, two of a kind. Two of a kind, Holly. Okay, take the magic wand. Grab it. Grab it. Push. Right, Holly, stop messing about now. Take the magic wand. Take the magic wand. Okay, four of a kind. This magic wand, four of a kind. Holly, just put. So anyway, and again, Holly. Stop messing about now. So anyway, as I was saying, this time, as I was saying, hey! Okay, Holly, well done. We have the magic wand for all of them. Over the piece of paper. Try your best. Let's see the magic word.
Sparkly, wacky, blue.
Okay, this time, guys, right? When she says the last word, big cheer for the magic to happen, yes? Go on, go for it, Holly.
Sparkly, wacky, blue.
The magic has worked. Hopefully, something has happened, and we should have a magic hat, hopefully. Holly's been fantastic. I think we agree, guys. That is a lovely magic hat. We can have those. Holly, I give you a nice magic wand. Oh, that's for you. Not a gravity today. And we've got. Give Holly a massive round of applause, guys. She's brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, who else can we have? Such a nice long hair. Long hair. Mum, gonna come up? Come on, Mum, come up. Hello? What's your name? Faye. Faye. Can I give Faye a massive round of applause because you ran all day? Okay, Faye. Today, I'm going to make you feel the most important person in this building. Right? You're going to be a true money maker. Are you a money maker? No. Okay, we can change that one. Is there anything in there, Faye? Is there any money in there? No. Is there anybody in there? No. Why? Okay, here we go. We right leg forward. Right leg forward. So far. Fingers in the air. We're going to prove to everybody here we can reach out into thin air, black out money. Yes? In, out, in. So get there. In, out, shake it all about. We do the okey dokey and we turn around. Hey! Okay, here we go. Fingers not messing. Fingers in the air. Now you're going to believe. Do you believe? You believe, okay. Hug it in the air and say, I got money. Drop in the bucket. Put it up, please. Okay. This time, go.
All of you, come.
I put... Okay, this time. Put your knee in the air, go up. Okay, you did fantastic. Now make all this money look. Okay, watch, just my hand, guys. 15 years practice, no social life. Was it 15 years social, no practice? I can't remember. Okay, watch. After 3, just say jump, yeah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, hop! Okay, this time, right? I want you to open one on the left. Oh no, it's not one. Sorry, this time we're going to hold the bucket like that for me. Hold it like that for me. Fantastic. Your hair just like my daughter. Beautiful, watch. She's been fantastic. A massive round of applause. And there's one more just by here. It is. Oh. Zach, gravity again. Round of applause, guys. Brilliant. Thank you. Before you go, I got something for you. And I'll give you an official magician's assistant just there. Thank you very much for the applause. Thank you. Okay, guys. We're going to have a little competition. We're going to have the boys against the girls or the women against the men. I need 2 volunteers. There's one. Let me come here, man. Hey, give a round of applause. Okay, mate. With the girl. Girl. A little bit older. Go. Want to help me this one? Fantastic. Help you come. Brilliant. Okay. Have one here. Brilliant. And one here. Fantastic. Okay. What's your name?
Ivy.
Ivy. What's your name?
Lewis.
Lewis. Give these guys a bit of applause. Ivy and Lewis. Thank you. Okay. The game is... It's on your head. No hands, Lewis. No hands, very good, right? Hands on your back. Just using your head. Got to get this little orange ball or a pepper or a pumpkin through the peat cup. Yeah, watch. Hi, Lewis. There's one for you. Okay. What's your name, sir? Oh, can you please count how many times you go through? Can you do that for me? Thank you very much. Brilliant. And Amy, one for you. How's that? Okay? Excellent. Get a bit bigger for you. Okay, guys. And can you count how many times that was in there? Is that cool, yeah? Right, we'll have a quick test first. All the boys, every time Lewis gets this through the peak out, all the guys, boys, big cheer. Alright? So lay them down, boys. Come on. Ready? That was hopeless. Okay, now girls, I think girls do better than that, can you girls? Yes? Okay, ready girls? I haven't got in yet. Okay? Let's bring it round somewhere. Bring it round. Okay. To play some music, we've got 1.5 minutes. Are you all ready? Wait till the music starts. Remember, no hands. Off we go! Okay, how many times have the girls do it? Twice for the boys. 6. The boys are the winners. Hey! But there's no losers here, guys. There's no losers, honestly, because we've got some more prizes for you. That's for you. That's for you. And you're all winners today, guys. Give a massive round of applause. Big winner. Thank you. Keep them. Okay, guys. There's something here. Can I have 2 more volunteers? Have you come quickly? Have you come quickly? Excellent. Hello. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. How old are you? 7. A star, a star, quick star. 7. How old are you? 4. 4. And where do you live? Kevin Coyne, you're looking fantastic. Right, I want you to give me your helper for me, okay? Is that cool? I'm going to give you a little badge. Alright, I'll give you a badge. 1 second. Give Sarah a big round of applause. What's your name?
Abby.
Abby, where are you from?
Cardiff.
Cardiff. How old are you?
7.
7, lucky 7. Okay, here we go. I want you to examine the cup and the ball. Have a look. Take it. And the cup. We're going to look inside. Is there anything inside the cup? No. Are you sure? Have you looked? Is there any money inside there? I've looked. Thank you. Look at the cup and the ball. Anything in there at all? Nothing? You'll examine it? No. Here we go, guys. Stand it closer. You're going to watch very carefully. Test conditions. Can you all see the cup? Can you all see the ball? This is an observation test. A game and a magic trick. The game is, don't take your eye off this ball. Watch. Sometimes the ball is in my hand. Sometimes it's in the cup. And every now and then, the ball goes in this pocket. Just watch. Watch. Can you hear the ball? Can you hear the ball? Right. You're going to guess where the ball is. Is the ball in my hand or under the cup? In my hand. Hand or cup? Cup. If you said cup, you would have been wrong. It's actually in my hand. Could you said hand to flow? Held the spit. But it bounces completely. Ends up under the cup. Not yet. Until I actually touch through the shoulder, cross my arm, down my hand, and then it goes under the cup. car. It's a bit complicated, isn't it? So they go a bit slower. In fact, I'll tell you how the trick is done. I shouldn't really, because I might get kicked out of the magic circle. See the ball? You hear the ball? Can you see the ball? When you think I take the ball out and put it in my pocket, what I actually do, I take the ball out and I actually put it into the cup. And when you think I put it into the cup, I retain it and I put it in the pocket. Are you following so far, guys? I'm going to try and read this now, I tell you. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So where's the ball? Hand or cup? Hand or cup? I'll give you a clue. See, it's under the cup. It's under the cup. This is why I'm just trying to help you. That's all under the cup. Here we go. And I'm going to put this ball so you're going to guess where it's going to go. No clues. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? On top of the cup. On top of the cup. Three high five. Okay. Go a bit slower. The ball. This time, when you think I put the ball in this hand, I retain it in this hand. When you think I put the ball in this hand, I retain it in this hand. The last time, I'm going to refinish. Here we go. So where's the ball? Hand or cup? The last time, hand or cup? Hand. Where's the ball? I'll give you a clue. Cup. No, that's the Kinder Egg. But there's only one Kinder Egg. And there's two coach ladies. So what can we do? Seren, I know what we're going to do. I think this next move, you're going to have bigger applause than I will. I definitely think so. You definitely think so? You definitely think so, guys? Okay, big the applause, big the magic. This is what's going to happen. Lift off that cup there, Seren, and the place will go mad with applause. Alright, guys? Go for it, Seren. Mister, lift. Lift the high up. Lift. Fantastic. That's for you. That's for you. Just before you go, I'm going to give you 2 ones. Can I give you a sticker? I did. No. That's one for you. Magic one for you. Magic one for you. Give a round of applause, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. Is it anybody's birthday today? Anybody's birthday? Anybody's birthday yesterday? Anybody's birthday tomorrow? No? No birthdays? No birthdays? No special cake? Anybody's birthday last week? No? Anybody's birthday next week? Yes? Up you come, man. Up you come. Okay, it's my last event, guys, for a birthday boy. Okay, how old are you?
7.
How old will be on your birthday?
8.
8. And when's your birthday?
22nd of May.
22nd of May. Summer boy like me. Mine's July. I'm a little bit older than you, just a little bit. And what's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. Give Lucas a big round of applause, guys. Okay, Lucas. You've probably seen before. So what these are? Pack-up cards. Have you all seen the pack card before, guys? Yes? Lucas, are they all there? Never play cards with Lucas, we can check on that quick. That was quick. Okay, Lucas. I'm going to pick a card. Pick any card you like, Lucas. But it's got to be a free choice. Okay? So pick any card you like. Any card, Lucas. Any card. Okay, here we go, Lucas. What's going to happen, right? Just say stop any way you like. Okay? I'm going to run my thumb down there. Say stop and wait for it. Say stop anytime. Ready?
Stop.
Meet me halfway, right? You ready?
Stop.
Faster. Yeah, okay. Take that card there, Lucas. Show everybody, but don't show me. It's very important. Can you all see the card? Yes? Okay, Lucas, put it back in any way you like. Any way you like. When I say no, okay, put it back in. Put it back in. Put the card back in. You put it in. Right. I'm only messing. Okay. I want you to think of your card. Think of your card. Keep thinking of your card. Constantly in your head, yes? Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a picture of your of that card. And I'm going to use this sketch pad, which I brought for that purpose. If I can find my pen, 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm going to draw an image of your card, Lucas, alright? So, you see, now I think it was me, guys. If anybody was going to draw a card somebody was merely thinking of, like Lucas, I think you all agree that you would start off with something like that. Yes? Yeah, the hard part is filling it in. That's the hard part. Now, Lucas, I think your card is a black card. That's the only colour pen I've got. And you can take this home as a souvenir when you finish, Lucas. I'll leave it to the secret. I'm no Picasso. Picasso is no magician, so they make equal in school. And I think your card, Lucas, is the Ace of Spades. Thank you. No. So what was the Ace of Spades? No? It wasn't the Ace of Spades. It's a lovely drawing, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? Ah, Lucas, what are you going to do? I know. This isn't one card, guys. Oh, no. This is a pack of cards. Can you see the pack? Your card is 14th from the top. Thank you. No? Okay, what do you guess? Because the thing is, guys, I shouldn't do mind readings. I'm not really good. What I should stick to is my favourite card with Lucas, which is the rising card.